What's up, boys and girls? Today, we're tackling those frustrating performance issues in SULFUR. If you've been struggling with crashes, lag, freezing, or stuttering, stick around because we've got the best tips to get your game running smoothly. And hey, if this video helps you out, don't forget to like it. 1. Update graphics drivers. First things first, updating your drivers is crucial. Head to the NVIDIA or AMD website to grab the latest drivers for your GPU. These updates often include optimizations for new games, so keeping them up to date can prevent a lot of issues. To add tweaking game settings, let's move on to the in-game settings. Lowering texture and shadow quality can improve performance significantly. Also, disabling features like ambient occlusion, tessellation, and motion blur might just eliminate those annoying FPS drops. V-Sync can be turned off too, but if you have a G-Sync or FreeSync monitor, make sure that's enabled for smoother performance. 3. Enable Windows Game Mode. Next, enable Game Mode in Windows. It dedicates more resources to your game by reducing background activity. Go to Settings greater than Game Mode, and just toggle it on. Simple, but effective. 4. Close background applications. Close any non-essential applications that could be running in the background. Just hit Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. Look for high-resource apps and close them. Fewer apps running means more resources for SULFUR. 5. Repair system files with SFC. Corrupted system files can cause games to crash or freeze. To check, open Command Prompt as an administrator and type in sfc/scan now. Single quotes. This scans and repairs any corrupted files, ensuring your system is running as it should. 6. Improve cooling for the CPU and GPU. Overheating can cause your system to throttle performance, which leads to lag and stuttering. Use a tool like Monitor to check temperatures and clean dust from your fans if needed. This keeps your hardware cool and operating efficiently. 7. Adjust power settings and PSU. Set your power plan to high performance by going to Control Panel greater than Power Options. This prevents the CPU from downclocking to save power. If you experience unexpected shutdowns, you might also need a more powerful PSU. 8. Manage antivirus settings. Finally, antivirus programs can sometimes interfere with game files. Add SULFUR as an exception in your antivirus software to prevent it from blocking or slowing the game. If that doesn't work, try disabling the antivirus temporarily to see if it helps. That's it for today, everyone. With these tips, SULFUR should be running a lot smoother. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more game fixes and tips. Catch you next time.